guys, welcome back to our channel, Pierce Family Wellness. We're continuing on with our month-long series for kyphosis. Just a reminder, kyphosis is the rounding of the spine that inhibits your heart function, your lung function, and even your digestive function. So we're going to give you another awesome exercise to help improve your posture so you can have a better posture and a better life. Don't forget to hit us up on Instagram, and if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to be in the know, you have to hit the notification bell. Let's do this. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do the seated posture trainer.
Why are we doing that?
We're going to do it today for kyphosis. So to help you get out of that rounded posture that we get so often sitting at the desk, in front of the TV, on our phones.
Awesome.
All right.
Begin in a seated position in a slumped posture. From there, try to articulate each vertebrae from the lowest part of your back to the very top of your head. We're going to inhale as we straighten ourselves. We're going to exhale as you collapse slowly back into the faulty posture. From the back, you can see that we're also going to externally rotate the shoulder girdle as we inhale and extend the spine. We're going to let everything roll forward on the exhale. If you want more strength in the exercise, hold it for 90 seconds.
Wait, there's more. Check out the description box for even more helpful info. Have a great day.